Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use ellipse command. Today lecture 12 is discussed here, and ellipse command is also very important in these topics in this Solidworks software, and very useful and helpful design any design create any new design create in Solidworks. So let's see what are the ellipse and how to easily use in Solidworks. At first open Solidworks software, then you want to create new sketch interface and draw a ellipse command. Then at first open a Solidworks software. Okay, this is a Solidworks software, and select a part and open. Okay, this is our interface, and any design create at first select a plane. We select plane is front plane, and other plane is also select here, no problem, but today I select a plane is front plane, and today discuss here ellipse. Okay, today discuss here ellipse, and any type of ellipse also discuss here. Okay, this is a ellipse and partial ellipse, parabola and conic. 4 point today discuss here, and one by one discuss easily and use any create a design. Okay, first click a ellipse. Okay, click origin point, and other point is drawing, then a point is other point is click here, and this is a drag here, this is a drag, size is increase and decrease. Okay, this is a perfect, click here. Okay, and this, okay, this is a ellipse, select. Okay, and this another point is a origin point. Okay, this point, select this and this, select. Okay, mention any dimension is a this point, and this point is a measure axis. Oh, okay, this delete here. Okay, this point and this point is a measure axis. Okay, 80, and this point and this point is a minor axis, 40. Okay, this point is 80 and this point is a 40. This point measure axis, and this point distance is a minor axis. Also this point and this point is a measure axis. Okay, 100, and this point is a minor axis, 50. Yes, 60. Okay, no problem, 60 also. Okay, this is a select. Okay, this is a ellipse, and another point is partial ellipse. Okay, this point click here, and this point this discuss a disc. Okay, another draw here, this point, and click this point. This is a partial ellipse, not a connect. Mention any dimension is same. This point is a minor axis, measure axis, 120, and this point is a minor axis 40. Okay, this point is not connect here. Also dimension is this point and this point is a okay 130, and this point also draw here 80. Okay, this is a partial ellipse, this is a ellipse, and next select another parabola. Okay, this point and this point mention here this. Okay, and drag here, mention any dimension is this point and this point is a 40. Okay, okay, and this is a drag here. Okay, this point also, this point is also size, drag here. Okay, this is a 50. Okay, also change here, and next is a conic section. Conic section is a this point and this point and this. Okay, also conic section is a this point and also this and this point. Okay, also another design, another tools, draw here a parabola, first point, second point, this point and this point okay, and mention dimension, this point is a 40, 50. Okay, this point and this point is a 50, 60, and this point is drag here, size is a decrease and increase. Okay, this point is drag here, side is a increase and decrease, and this point is drag here, also drag, and this point is a drag. Okay, this point is okay, this is a partial. Okay, this is ellipse. Okay, today all point ellipse, partial ellipse, parabola, conic, all 4 point is discussed here. Okay, next lecture is 13, and today discuss here ellipse is complete here. Guys, don't forget subscribe, like, share this channel. More and more new videos coming soon, and at first see latest. Okay guys, thank you.